Okay, this is Kumar from SNS College of Technology. I'm from Department of Computer Engineering. So previous lecture I said about introduction to XML and how the XML are going to use and the syntax of XML. So in this video I am going to tell about XML document structure and the rules for creating XML document. Okay. So first thing, the XML document structure. So these XML document structures contains definition and attributes and elements and text. So the four things are creating with the XML document structure. So what is the use of the four things means? It is the use for transmitting the data from one XML to another XML. So it providing the data storing technologies and transmission technologies to the XML document in a web technology or web development or configuration files or any type of interchanging format. Okay, so we are used to creating 8 rules. Okay, so in XML there are 8 rules for creating XML document. Okay, so first rule explains it is a flow log. So first rule means it is a flow log. So now the rules, rule number 1. So it is called as a flow log. It is flow log. It means we are going to create the XML version equal to 1.0 and encoding UTF-8. So here the version and UTF is a prolog. Okay, so why it is called as a prolog means it is a not mandatory line. Every XML line contains the first line of this line. This is not mandatory. So there is no include of this line. So we are going to use a prolog. So it is identifying the XML version and XML characters and XML sets. Okay, so that is the first rule for an XML prolog. So this is also the syntax for creating prolog. So this is also syntax for prologs. Okay, syntax for prologs. Next one, rule number 2. Rule 2. Okay, so rule 2 means each XML element have a root element. Okay, each XML element have a root element and child element. So why we XML document program like document have a root element and child element means it is the supreme of the root element. It is going to create a tree structure element. Okay, so now we are going to see about one small example for rule 2. Suppose we are going to create a website. Suppose we are going to create a website programming language. So we have to create one root element that is called website. This is root element, and then company. So it is called as element, and it contains the attributes. So it is called categories. Okay. So this company element contains 3 more elements. So before I said one XML contains a number of elements to create one XML document. So this is called as one element. And title called title. This is also one element called author. And another one is also an element. It is called year. So in this example, like this is tree structure. So this is the root element and child element. So here the root element is a root element. The remaining all is called as a child element. So this is the rule number 2. So each XML document can have a root element. Okay. Okay. So in this tag, we suppose we are going to opening a tag like name. The closing tag is name, same as HTML. So these names are is an own tag. It is own tags. This also own tag. In XML, they are creating the own tags, not predefined tags. Okay. So this is the rule number 3. So again, rule number 4. Rule number 4. Each and every XML document have opening and closing tags are the case sensitive. Suppose the opening tag called as name, the closing tags are, if it is a lowercase, it is an uppercase. So this is the case sensitive. So XML cannot accept these kind of misuses. So this is another element. This is another element. This is not the same element. Suppose we are going to use only the lowercase n, then it is the same element. Okay. So next one, it is a next rule number is rule 5. So each and every attributes have a double quotation. Suppose we have to create a website and the category. So in the category there is a subject. So each and every attributes have a double quotation in a rule 5. So rule 6. The XML document is contained white pages. So it will retain and maintain the white pages in a mean manner. So it's called, suppose we have to do is in one tag. So ending with the 2. So now the first name and last name. So we have one space. So this spaces are mentioned and retained from the XML document. Okay. So rule 6. So next one rule number 7. Rule 7. So in a XML, use comments. For example, comments syntax is. So this is the comment syntax. So what are contents are present in these tags? These are used as a comments. Okay. And the rule number 8. Rule 8. So the all tags are nested correctly. For example, suppose I am going to create a 2 tag, and then this is a message. Again, message tag is closed. Again, 2 tag is closed. So once I open the 2 tag and then enter the 2 tag. Again, I will open the message tag. This also close the message tag. So this is the nested with all the tags. So these are the